Cold compress. In the last video, I introduced what warm compress does for the body and why you should use it in certain instances. Now I'll be explaining to you why you need to use cold compress also in certain instances. Now, I don't know whether you're a football fan, if you've ever watched a scene where the footballer gets injured and the health professionals run to the pitch and then they are carrying something in a warmer and then they apply the spray on the athletes or the footballer's skin, and the footballer just does his show his leg and then goes back to pitch. What simple thing they did is a cold therapy using cold spray for treatment, and the person feels good. Why would it be effective for you? For instance, you get injured and then let's say someone hits you or you bump your head against something. What will happen is that blood will suddenly flow and accumulate at that particular point, which will cause a swelling. Now, for you, if you want the swelling to reduce, what you should do is actually to use cold compress to help to reduce the swelling. Because if you use warm compress, it's going to increase the blood flow to that particular point and cause more swelling. What does cold compress do? It helps reduce inflammation, it helps relieve pain, and also helps to diminish blood flow. Now, I'm not particular about two of those things, which even though all of them are very important, relieve pain and also diminish blood flow. Now, this diminution of blood flow is what we call vasoconstriction, where the blood vessels are narrow and blood is not flowing like we normally do. Now, that's one of the things we want to do. When we use cold compress, it doesn't allow blood to flow to that particular point to now cause any more increase. So cold compress will actually help you when you have injuries, sprains, bumps, and you have injuries like inflammation, where somewhere is inflamed. Now, don't get this twisted or don't get this wrong and think that whenever you have any swelling, because that can lead to more damage than you think, because there's some swellings that actually take place and they are not trauma related. Now, I'm referring to trauma related swelling where you hit your leg against something or you have a fall and then you can use cold compress. So now I've explained to you the difference between using warm therapy and cold therapy, or warm compress and cold compress in different instances. Cold compress is something that helps you to relieve pain instantly for acute pain, and then you know that you apply and then you feel good for a period of time, and then definitely the pain will still come back, but then you apply it in the evening and you also feel good. While warm compress is more of a chronic condition for pains lasting more than 3 weeks, where you need something to relax the muscles and warm them up so that blood can flow the particular part and then this healing takes place. So know the difference between when you're using cold therapy and warm therapy. And that will be in a particular video. Don't forget to like the particular video. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.